Have you heard about our Green Choice Rewards program? Let me tell you about this exciting opportunity. This membership is a wonderful opportunity to get lifetime warranty on all Zone 4 and lower plants in our Garden Center Nursery. With this membership, you get a variety of benefits as well. Some of these benefits include discounts and free gifts here at the Garden Center, including 15% off all bagged soils, compost, and mulch, as well as free garden tool rentals and free yard waste drop-off. Some of these gifts that we're offering include one free class workshop registration per year, as well as a pair of gardening gloves from the Garden Center. If you'd like to learn more about our Green Choice Rewards program, please visit our website or stop by our store.